हेलो फ्रेंड्स, वेलकम बैक। तो आज के हम इस वीडियो में करने वाले हैं क्लास 9th एसएस का चैप्टर नंबर 8 फ्रेमिंग ऑफ कॉन्स्टिट्यूशन एंड इट्स फीचर्स। चैप्टर नंबर 8 का नोट्स है। आज हम इस वीडियो में आपको चैप्टर नंबर 8 का नोट्स बताने वाले हैं। फर्स्ट पॉइंट आपका कॉन्स्टिट्यूशन मीन। कॉन्स्टिट्यूशन का मतलब एनी सिस्टमेटिक कलेक्शन ऑफ रूल्स डिजाइन टू गवर्न अ कंट्री रिजीम इज नॉन एज कॉन्स्टिट्यूशन। नाउ अब हम आपको इसका इंपॉर्टेंस इसमें है। फर्स्ट पॉइंट है द कॉन्स्टिट्यूशन इज सुपरियर टू ऑल द लॉज ऑफ द कंट्री। सेकंड पॉइंट, कॉन्स्टिट्यूशन इन्वॉल्व पीरियडिकली चेंजिंग रिक्वायरमेंट ऑफ द पीपल एस्पिरेशन एक्सपेक्टेशन इंटरेस्ट एज वेल एज द इमोशन विच आर हाई। थर्ड पॉइंट, दैट्स द रीजन कॉन्स्टिट्यूशन इज नोन एज ए लाइव एंड द बेसिक डॉक्यूमेंट। प्रोसेस ऑफ फार्मिंग एंड कॉन्स्टिट्यूशन। फर्स्ट पॉइंट है Constituent Assembly comprised 385 members in which various members from different religion, caste, gender and people from various geographical diversification, political representatives and experts from various sectors were included. Second point, जवाहरलाल नेहरू, सरदार वल्लभ भाई पटेल, मौलाना अब्दुल कलाम आज़ाद, श्याम प्रसाद मुखर्जी, HP मोदी, एच पी कामनाथ, फ्रैंक एंथोनी, कन्हैयालाल मुंशी, कृष्णा स्वामी अय्यर, बलदेव सिंह एंड वुमेन रिप्रेजेंटेटिव्स आर सरोजनी नायडू एंड विजय लक्ष्मी पंडित एक्सेट्रा were the member of the Constituent Assembly. थर्ड पॉइंट है डॉक्टर राजेंद्र प्रसाद was the president of the Constituent Assembly. A committee was appointed to draft the constitution under the chairman of Dr. Bhimrao Ambedkar. फोर्थ पॉइंट है 166 सेशन spread over a period of 2 year 11 months and 17 days. Next point, in this constitution there are 295 articles and 8 amendments after amendment with 395 articles and 9 appendices. Next point, on 26th November 1949 the constitution was unanimously passed in the Constituent Assembly. On 26th January we celebrate Republic Day with the nation fervor because on 26th January 1950 the Constitution of India came into existence and India was declared a republic nation. Next point, we have 4 lions as national emblem and national slogan which Satyamev Jayate means truth will always win. Now अब आता है what is preamble. First point, the word written in the preamble highlight the soul of constitution. Second point, 1976 the word socialist, secular, unity and integrity of the nation were added. Next point, importance of preamble. First point, to understand the framing of any laws or its interpretation, preamble gives proper guidance. Second point, to understand the policy behind the framing of any law, preamble plays an important role. Third point, preamble serves as a compass to understand the provision of constitutional law. नेक्स्ट आता है आप लोग का पिलर ऑफ प्रिम्बल. फर्स्ट पॉइंट, द वर्ड्स इंस्क्राइब्ड इन द प्रिम्बल आर वी आर द पीपल ऑफ इंडिया, सोवेरेन, सोशलिस्ट, सेक्युलर, डेमोक्रेटिक, रिपब्लिक, जस्टिस, लिबर्टी, फ्रेटर्निटी एंड इक्वालिटी. हियर we will study the following 3 main pillars of the preamble. First pillar is democracy. First point, the ultimate sovereignty of power is with the people. According to Indian Constitution, there is no particular regime of any one particular person. Instead, it is with the people. Second point, democracy. The word is derived from Greek word demos, means people, and kratos means power of country. Power is not within a group of people, instead it within the people of the country. Third point, democracy means by the people, for the people and of the people. Fifth point, Fourth point, cabinet consists member of parliament. Cabinet of minister is responsible for the parliament. Fifth point, the government works under the principle of constitution and therefore it is known as responsible government. Sixth point, democratic government is based on liberty, equality and feeling of fraternity and continuously work to achieve these goals. Seventh point, the Constitution of Democratic India render fundamental right, principle for political direction, parliament, member of assembly, independent and impartial justice and election commission are those provisions which make our country democratic in every means. 8 point, adult suffrage means the citizen above 18 years of age can cast his her vote to one choice of leader without discriminating caste, creed, religion, language, gender, education, income or birthplace. But it is essential that the citizens are enlisted in the electoral list. नेक्स्ट पॉइंट आता है आप लोग का सोशलिस्टिक का फर्स्ट पॉइंट, इन ईयर 1976 by 42 Indian Constitution Amendment, Constitution of India added in the 42 Amendment the word socialist. Second point, most of the provision in the Constitution of India directly or indirectly so revolution which brought social and economic equality and furthered the aim of welfare state. Third point, the principle of socialistic pattern directs social, economic and political equality for citizens as given in the preamble. It is known as prime features of the state. Fourth point, any one particular person should not have power over all assets. Instead, everyone should have equal opportunity by getting facilities and provision from society and thereby eliminating the discrimination of rich and poor. थर्ड जो आपका नेक्स्ट जो आपका पॉइंट आता है वो आता है सिक्युलरिज्म का फर्स्ट पॉइंट, in the year 1976 by 42 Indian Constitution Amendment the word secular was inserted. India is a secular country. Second point, equal job opportunities and political right to the citizen are given without any religious discrimination. In this way, secularism is the basic foundation and mandatory features of the constitution. थर्ड पॉइंट आता है सर्वधर्म सामदृष्टि एंड सर्वधर्म संभव आर द प्रिंसिपल इनकॉर्पोरेटेड इन द कॉन्स्टिट्यूशन. फोर्थ पॉइंट, देयर इज नो प्रोहिबिशन ऑन एनी सिटीजन टू प्रोपेगेट हिज हर रिलीजियस बिलीफ, ट्रस्ट एंड फेथ. नेक्स्ट पॉइंट आता है आपका बेसिक फीचर्स ऑफ द कॉन्स्टिट्यूशन. The Constitution, which come into force on 26 January 1950, is considered as the largest, extensive and detailed written document. First है written document. Except Britain and Israel, India along with other nations of the world have their constitution is in written form. Considerably the social, geographical, diversified circumstances and prehistorical nation, the Constituent Assembly has kept the drafted constitution in written form. Second है size of the constitution. 22 session, 395 articles and 8 appendices. Now 12. अभी कितने appendices है? 12. The constitution comprises provision for state administration and state interrelation, fundamental right, principle for political policies, judiciary, election commission, government institution, minorities, scheduled castes and deprived groups. Third is single citizenship. In America, dual citizenship is given, one for United States of America and another for state citizenship. But in India, there is only single citizenship irrespective of any religion or state. Fourth है the center with strong federal structure. India is a union of states that is now there is nowhere any reference of the word federal in the constitution. Union of states in the sentence used for India. In India federation there were two sets of government, the union government and the state government. union government में 97 सब्जेक्ट नेशनल इम्पोर्टेंस जैसे डिफेंस, फॉरेन अफेयर्स, एटॉमिक एनर्जी, बैंकिंग, रेलवे, कम्युनिकेशन, पोस्ट एंड टेलीग्राफ. सेकंड है स्टेट लिस्ट. स्टेट लिस्ट में 66 सब्जेक्ट हैं एंड द स्टेट लिस्ट कंपेरिजेस ऑफ दोज इम्पोर्टेंट सब्जेक्ट ऑन विच द स्टेट लेजिस्लेचर हाउस कैन पास लॉज. सब्जेक्ट लाइक लॉज एंड ऑर्डर, स्टेट गवर्नमेंट इंस्टीट्यूशन, एग्रीकल्चर एंड इरीगेशन, हेल्थ, लैंड, इंटर स्टेट एंड कॉमर्स आर इंक्लूडेड. थर्ड आपका आता है कॉन्करेंट लिस्ट जिसमें 47 सब्जेक्ट है. दिस लिस्ट इंक्लूडेड जैसे क्रिमिनल, सिविल प्रोसीजर, मैरिज एंड डिवोर्स, एजुकेशन, इकोनॉमिक प्लानिंग, ट्रेड यूनियन एक्सेट्रा. अब आता है आपका रेसिडुअरी पावर. रेसिडुअरी पावर हम लोग नेक्स्ट पार्ट में करने वाले हैं. तो अगर आपको हमारी वीडियो पसंद है इसे लाइक कीजिए, सब्सक्राइब कीजिए, शेयर कीजिए. मिलते हैं. जय हिंद, जय